Hello everybody, long time no see. Seeing you here again. I'm Duran at OctopusDuo. So now I'm at my workplace, which is a place that I often do my laser engraving and cutting work. In today's video, I'm going to show you the OctopusDuo multifunctional rotary attachment in 3 parts. The first part, I will introduce what OctopusDuo looks like, including its accessories, and how to connect it to your machine. Number 2, I will show you how to use the Octopus to engrave your tumblers. Number 3, how to engrave cups and irregularly shaped objects with Octopus. Are you ready? Let's get started. Take out the truck attachment. Align the truck rotary axis with the hole shown in the video. Once it fully contacts the main body, tighten the up knob. After fixing the knob, use the hexi wrench to tighten the transmission lock. Take out the wheel wrench and insert it into the hole at the edge of the chuck. Turn the textured wheel on the back of the chuck to adjust the chuck diameter. The 3 holes on the outer ring of the chuck can be used to install studs. Insert the studs into the hole and turn it clockwise until tightened. Align the long chuck-driven wheel to the position shown in the video. Insert a fixing screw into the screw hole and tighten it. After tightening the screw, you can loosen the driven wheel position screw. Turn the upper knob to adjust the height of the driven wheel. Prepare the roller fixture accessories. Roller driven wheel, clamp, roller module. Replace the chuck module on the main body with the roller module. Turn the transmission lock to align the screw with the hole. Use the hex wrench to loosen the screws. Loosen the 2 fixing screws shown in the video. Remove the chuck module and install the roller module. Push firmly to ensure its secure fit. Then tighten the fixing screws. Rotate the transmission fixing screw to a visible position. Then use the wrench to tighten it. And ensure the roller module can rotate smoothly. Take out the roller module's clamp and install it on the top of the roller module. Before installation, loosen the 2 upper fixing screws. Insert the position clamp and tighten the fixing screws. Check that the clamp is firmly installed. Replace original chuck-driven wheel with the roller-driven wheel, using the short wheel group instead of the long wheel group. Take out the extension cable and connect the power cable locking connector with the extension cable female connector. Place the spirit level on the fixture's crossbeam. Turn the side knob to adjust the height of the support feet until the bubble is centered. The maximum lifting height of the support feet is 65 mm.